Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser WP-660, sold by Amazon.com.
Introducing the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional, designed for superior dental care. This advanced water flosser offers 10 pressure settings for a customized clean. It features a massage mode to stimulate gums and improve oral health. A built-in timer pauses at 30 seconds and 1 minute to help track flossing time. The large reservoir provides over 90 seconds of use without needing a refill. Its small maneuverable wand makes it easy to reach all areas, including back teeth. A convenient water on/off switch on the wand enhances ease of use. Waterpik is the #1 water flosser brand recommended by dental professionals. It's the only water flosser brand to earn the A-Day seal of acceptance. The Aquarius comes with 7 tips, catering to multiple users and dental needs. It offers 10 safe and effective pressure settings for optimal cleaning. The removable 22 ounces reservoir is top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy 90+ seconds of floss time with 360-degree tip rotation for thorough cleaning. Waterpik's precision pulse technology removes up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria, backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. Waterpik's Colorado support team is ready to assist with any product questions. Rated 4.6 stars. Order today for $59.37.